In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Squarespace website's sitemap. A sitemap is a simple XML file that lists the important pages on your site. Search engines like Google and Bing use it to discover and understand your content, which helps with indexing and SEO. Squarespace automatically generates this file for you, so the real task is just locating the link. Start by opening your Squarespace dashboard and selecting the website you want to work with. From the main site view, look to the left-hand menu and open your site settings. Once you're in Settings, choose Domains and Email. This is where Squarespace groups everything related to your built-in domain and any custom domains you've connected. On the Domains and Email screen, open the area where you register and manage domains, then go into Domains. You'll see your built-in Squarespace domain listed here, along with any custom domains you've connected. Click into the built-in domain to view its details. This panel is helpful because it centralizes key links related to your domain. Inside your built-in domain details, look for the sitemap reference. Squarespace highlights a direct link to your site's XML sitemap, typically labeled clearly so you can spot it. Click that highlighted sitemap link, and it will open in a new tab. You'll see a simple, structured page of XML. Nothing fancy visually, but it's exactly what search engines expect. Keep this link handy. It's the one you'll share with tools like Google Search Console or Bing Webmaster Tools if you plan to submit your sitemap for indexing. A couple of quick tips as you verify it. If you use a custom domain, your sitemap will resolve there as well, as long as the domain is correctly connected and pointing to Squarespace. If the link doesn't load or returns an error, make sure your site is published and not blocked from search engine indexing in your SEO settings. Also, if you've recently made significant changes to your pages or navigation, give the sitemap a little time to refresh. Squarespace updates it automatically. Once you've confirmed the sitemap opens, you're set. Bookmark it for future reference, and consider saving it in your project notes so you can share it quickly with anyone working on SEO for your site. Remember, you don't need to build or upload anything. Squarespace handles the generation and hosting for you. All you need is the link you just found. That's all it takes.